Hello my beautiful people, today I have a tutorial all about these butterfly crochet locks. Here is my foundation for this crochet style, the illusion braid pattern. This boxy style crochet pattern gives the illusion of individual locks. On the first rows near my ears, I created 2 blocks, and on the others, I created 3, in which are connected together, creating a cornrow that goes back. These butterfly crochet locks are from an Amazon seller by the name of Leonyeri. These locks are 12 inches long, and I have them in the shade 1B. I received 5 packs, but I'm only using 4. These locks are super soft, really well made, has a nice distressed look to them, and the loop size is perfect for crocheting. These locks are fairly easy to crochet. I would just take my time around my hairlines. You just don't want to snag in your hair. So be very gentle when placing your latch hook under your braid. When I initially started to crochet my hair, I pulled the lock through and grabbed it at the end with my hook, but I've noticed that the hair is so soft, and it's actually better if you just grab it with your finger and pull it through. I was afraid to do it in the beginning because I didn't think that the loop was strong enough, but this loop is really strong and it will not pull apart the lock. And also when you're pulling the crochet lock through, you want to take your time as well, because you can get a little tangled up on the little butterfly loops. And if you notice that my boxes are more on a larger size than I normally do, it's because these locks over time, they do swell and kind of get a little fatter. So I didn't want to make my parts too tiny where I have so much hair in my head. But in some areas you can see some spacing. So I went back in with another lock and crocheted that into those spaces, and I think it filled it up really nice. This is a couple days later, and look at how the frizz really makes these locks look So natural. And girl, peep this hairline. This hairline looks so good, so natural. I am in love with these Crochet Butterfly Locs. Only took me an hour to complete. They look great with a middle part, up in a ponytail, and also just flip to the side. I am in love with these locks. Make sure you check out the description box below. I will have this hair linked down for you. And I hope I was able to give you some helpful tips in this tutorial. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe as well if you're not subscribed. And to all my subscribers, thank you for your support. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace!